What if I tell you that this stew was made without fresh tomatoes? I know this period that tomato is actually costly and scarce. We're all looking for alternatives to still enjoy our stew. So guys, join me, let me show you how I made this yummy cucumber stew. The full ingredients will be at the description box down below, so please do ensure you check it out. So to make the stew, I started with a protein base, which is the beef. You can also use any other protein of your choice, probably goat meat or even chicken, just any one of your choice. I had to cut it into a smaller size, after which I transferred it into the pot. I then seasoned it up with some onion, seasoning cubes, some curry powder, thyme, garlic powder, salt and some scotch bonnet pepper. I then mixed everything together and allowed to steam up on medium heat. After about 7 minutes, I checked on the meat and I realized it was released natural liquid. I then added little water to it, then cover and allow to cook properly. Next, I went ahead to peel some cucumber using a kitchen peeler because this will be replacing our fresh tomatoes. I'm actually peeling the bag because we don't want to end up with some green looking stew. So after peeling the cucumber, I divided it into half in order to remove the seeds, after which I went ahead to cut it into smaller chunks just for easy blending. Next, I transferred the cucumber into the blender. I also added little water to it, then covered and allowed to blend properly. So after blending, I strained the cucumber puree through a fine sieve. You can alternatively use a cheesecloth. So this cucumber pulp is what we'll be using to make the stew. For the juice, I didn't discard it because they are very healthy. You can watch my previous video where I shared some of the health benefits of consuming cucumber water. I'll be adding the link to the description box down below, so please do ensure you check it out. So back to my stovetop, after about 25 minutes, I checked on the beef and I realized it was fully cooked. I then take it off from the heat. In my pan, I transferred some power oil into it, then transferred the cooked beef and fried it till it was nice and golden brown. Next, I added some onion strip and sauteed till it was fragrant. I also added little garlic and some scotch bonnet pepper to it and allowed to fry alongside with the onion. When my onion was perfectly fried, I added 1 tomato paste to it. If you don't want to use tomato paste for your cucumber stew, you can simply just use a mixture of cayenne pepper, that is the shombo, and some red bell pepper, popular known as the tatashe, to have this red stew base. So when the tomato paste was perfectly fried, I then transferred the cucumber pulp. Remember, this is going to be replacing fresh tomato in our regular stew. We all know that stew that was made with just tomato paste tastes differently from stew that was made with a mixture of fresh tomato and tomato paste. But this cucumber pulp is going to add a unique taste to our stew and you definitely need to try it. Just in case you are watching up to this extent and you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever we upload new videos. Please do ensure you like, share it with your friends and loved ones, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much, guys. So after our 7 minutes of frying, our cucumber stew is gradually coming together. So I went ahead to season it up using some curry powder, some thyme, seasoning cubes, some grounded crayfish and some salt to taste. I then mixed everything together till it was properly combined. I also transferred some of the fried beef into the pan. Then mix everything together just so the beef can also absorb some of the stew base. So after about 5 minutes, guys, I added some of the stock water to it in order to loosen up the consistency, then mix everything together. Guys, just look at this stew. It was actually made without fresh tomato and no one can actually tell the difference. It's actually looking so yummy. So for extra flavor and color, I also added some green bell pepper to it, then mix everything together before taking it off from the heat. And guys, our cucumber stew is pretty much ready. You can actually enjoy it with rice, yam, or even pasta. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.